In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter the Ticketmaster waiting room with a full walkthrough. If you're planning to buy tickets for a popular event, it's important to be prepared before the sale begins. The Ticketmaster waiting room is designed to organize traffic right before tickets go on sale, and knowing how it works can help make the process much smoother. First, go to Ticketmaster and sign in to your account as early as possible. Don't wait until the last minute to do this because sign-in delays can cost you valuable time when demand is high. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure your payment information is current. This is a simple but important step because if you reach checkout and your payment details are outdated, you could lose your chance to complete the purchase. Next, find the event you want to attend and open that event page before the sale begins. It's a good idea to do this ahead of time rather than scrambling to search for it right when tickets are released. On the event page, look carefully for the sale time and any information about waiting room availability. This helps confirm exactly when you'll be able to join and what to expect. When the waiting room opens, you'll usually see the option to join several minutes before the official sale time. As soon as that button becomes available, click it to enter. After that, stay on the page. This part is very important. Do not refresh your browser. Refreshing can interfere with your place in the process. So once you're in, the best thing to do is remain on that page and let the system handle the next step. Then wait for the sale to begin. When the sale officially starts, everyone who is already in the waiting room is automatically transferred into the queue. At that point, your queue position is assigned. From there, you'll be able to watch your progress as the line moves forward. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that being in the waiting room early can help you be ready. But once the queue begins, the system assigns positions automatically. So the most important part is making sure you're signed in on the correct event page and ready to join as soon as the waiting room opens. That's the full process for entering the Ticketmaster waiting room. Follow these steps calmly, avoid refreshing the page, and stay patient while the queue updates. With a little preparation, you'll give yourself the best possible chance to get through the line smoothly.